Hey there, this is Kakarotvg. Welcome to episode 9 of MinecraftForge modding tutorial. So I've already gone ahead and created the normal item textures for the armor. Just recolored the normal Minecraft textures. So these will go in the items folder, as normal. But then we have to go with these. Then we have to do the actual, what will actually render on the player. So for those textures, to get to those textures, we need to go into the Minecraft folder, versions, go into the actual jar, unzip it, open with WinRAR, go to assets, and then, okay, that is seriously a poor name for the class. I am sorry. It's just really poor name. Anyways, we go to Minecraft, textures, and models, and armor. And you will find the armors in here. Unless you want to go through a bunch of trouble, I wouldn't go with chainmail. And I wouldn't retexture chainmail. Diamond, gold, iron. Don't go with leather either. Diamond, gold, and iron are essentially all the same. Oops, I just opened preview. So you can just go ahead and go with one of them. I chose to recolor diamond. So just copy them to whatever area you want to do, or want to edit them with. And I'm gonna go ahead and open my GIMP real quick. Now, with the names, we will get to that in a second. Okay, so this is my colored armor _1 thing. So, and this is the you have to do the _1 and the _2 because the _2 one is where the leg texture will be located. I don't know why they're not in the same PNG file. Don't ask me, ask Mojang. It's really stupid and weird. But so anyways, so I named it all capitals just to make it easier for me to access with the code. And they have to have an _1 and an _2 at the end. Actually, I'm not sure they have to, but it will make it a lot easier just to do this, because otherwise things might not work properly. So, anyways, let's go ahead. Oops, wrong folder. Go ahead into our tutorial modding, resources, assets, tutorial mod. Oops. Assets, dang it, tutorial mod, textures, items, and blocks. On the items, we put the icons for our armor. And new folder, armor. And in here, we'll put the actual armor textures. And we're done with that. Okay. So now, oh yeah, you can do the animated textures with basically anything really. But I just didn't want to make an animated texture for a lot of things, so yeah. Except maybe tile entities. Making an animated texture on that really is a pain in the butt, to be honest. And then tutorial assets, tutorial textures. Oops, wrong folder. Comment. Okay. So now in here, we need to have ID handler and VG tutorial open as always. Really have to be slow now. Oh my gosh. getting really annoying sometimes. Okay. Public static string armor IDs equals armor IDs, and then // armor IDs, static int tutorial helm ID, public static int tutorial plate ID, public static int tutorial legs ID, static int boots ID, and anyways, back. Sorry about that. I had to do a couple things. So now we've got our little our Ds done. I'm lagging so much right now. I don't know why. Armor IDs. Then tutorial helm equals. Oops, my bad. Equals config dot. Gamma. Get. And then armor IDs. Tutorial helmet 24200 dot get int tutorial helm ID. Okay, so let's just copy this. 1, 2, 3. And then change what we need to change. Plate. Change this to chest plate. I just realized what I did wrong. Don't have to remind me. Legs, boots, chest plate, leggings, boots, 201, 202, 203. Command Shift F to import, Command Shift F to format. Don't import, there's nothing to import. Anyways, so we're done with the IDs. So now we need to create a new class. This will go in the armor package. Tutorial armor. And this needs to extend item armor. Command Shift O to import. Command Shift F to format. Then we need to add the constructor. Okay. Things here are going to be getting a bit complicated. So now we need to create a string armor file. Change par1 to ID, armor material, And then in part 3 and in part 4. Yeah, we'll just leave those. I could rename them, but I don't really want to right now. Alright, anyways. So, we are going, but we need to add on to this, comma. Dang it! Stupid arrow keys. String armor file. F to format. And then in the super constructor, this dot armor file equals armor file. And what this does is it will check for the name of your armor file in the when you actually create the class. So, and I'll get into what the armor file will do. In fact, actually, we're gonna get to that right now. Now, at override at side only side dot client colon. I guess we don't have to import yet. And then, well, you could do it the other way around, but I'm just gonna do it that. I'm just gonna override the side only dot client, and then public string get armor texture and then item stack entity int slot int layer. Command Shift O to import. Hit that MinecraftEntity. Command Shift F to format. And this has to return an armor file. So we're gonna put a if statement. If armor file equals null return null. And then return reference dot mod ID plus and then here is where it gets good. So hold on. Oh no, yeah, we do have to do this. Sorry about that. I was just thinking real quick. Textures slash armor slash and then plus armor file plus .png. So what this does is it checks for the armor file. If there is no armor file, it will return null. And otherwise it will return our mod packet, our texture package. And then it will look in textures, look for an armor folder in textures. It will look for the name of our armor file, and then it will look for a .png extension. So it cannot be a JPEG. It has to be a .png. Actually, I'm not sure. You might be able to change this to .jpeg, although I'm not quite sure it will load properly. So for now, I'm just gonna keep it at .png. I might test out JPEGs later. I'm not sure right now. Side only. Side dot client at over. Now, as usual, we're gonna get the icon, public void register icons, register, and this dot item icon equals register dot register icon reference dot mod ID plus this dot get unlocalized name dot substring 5. And back. Sorry about that. I had to take care of something. I'll edit that out. Okay, so we are done with our armor class. Unless you want to add a custom color or enchantments to the armor. Mind you, the enchantments will not retain with the armor when you craft the armor. Only while in creative mode. Only within creative mode menus will it still have the enchantments. So, but we can go ahead and give it a custom color if we want. And I'll go ahead and add a couple enchantments on there too. So now, press enter twice, make 2 new lines, at override public void get sub items int par1, 1, 0. Oops, sorry about that. I was wrong. Int par1, creative tabs, par2 creative tabs, list, par3 list. java.auth.list, I think. And okay, so now it should hopefully fix itself. Item stack is equals new item stack par1 1 0. Get sub items. What that? Why is it not working? Is dot add enchantment dot, let's do protection, comma 5. This will make protection level 5. And then car3 list dot add is car3 list dot add Okay, this is getting really weird. It's supposed to have the override. Get sub items. Get sub items. Hold on. Trying to check something here. Yeah, that's really weird. Import. You know what? It's not java.list, it's util. There we go, that fixed it. So it was all because of that one import. So it can't be auth.list. It has to be util. So I'll have to remember that from now on. So that takes care of enchantments. And then at override at side only side dot client, then public enum rarity get rarity item stack par 1 item stack, add brackets, go to import, and then return item rarity dot, then the color has to be common, which is white, epic, which is purple, rare, which I believe is yellow, uncommon, which I'm not sure. I'm gonna go with uncommon. And that to finish up the format. And now let's go ahead and create our armor handler class. So get armor, create the class, armor handlers. It has to be under handlers, not armor. Armor handler, finish. Okay. Public static void configure armors configuration config. Ugh. My computer gets really slow when I'm recording. It's really annoying. Public static void register armor game registry. Registry. And you do public static void add names. Game registry. And then I would believe that that's it, though I can't be quite sure. So it can be add names, set names. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now let's create the actual stuff. So public static. Sorry, my bad. Actually, no, yeah. Public item. Eurotark helm. Item. Public static item. Eurotark plate. Public static item. Eurotark legs. Public static item. Eurotark boots. And let it load. It's being stupid. Thank you. Okay. So now we have to create the enums, which will be fun. So public static enum armor material. Oh, sorry, not Eurotark. That was just me goofing up. Tutorial. Enemy. To make sure I have it right in DM. Item ID. Okay, so enum armor material. Tutorial armor equals enum helper dot add armor material. Tutorial armor durability. Let's go with 680. Because I can. Now for reduction routes, new int. We go with 9. 14. Comma. 9, 14, 12, and then 9 again, just to make it more like the actual Minecraft, comma, and the enchantability, which is 10. Command Shift O to import, Command Shift F to format, or control, depends on what operating system you're using. And now we're gonna actually create our stuff. But first off, let's go to the proxies, common proxy, return 0. Hold on. Okay, actually we should be good because I had us do the add armor earlier in the tutorials. So that's what they're for. They're for the armors because we need that for the armors. So now tutorial helm equals new and tutorial armor. New tutorial armor. ID handler dot tutorial helm ID comma, and that's the ID. Then the name of the enum, which is tutorial armor, comma, omega, no, not omega, sorry, comma, gg tutorial dot proxy dot add armor, and then tutorial armor, then in between these, comma 0, comma, then the name of the armor renderer thing, tutorial armor underscore 1, then dot set unlocalized name, and then dot set unlocalized name, and then we need to dang you tutorial, it's down there really close, tutorial home, then dot set creative tab, handler dot t tab. Okay, check that for the format. Now real quick, registry dot register item, as usual, tutorial helm, I forgot one thing, man, let's see. So what this does is helmet, boots, chest plate, legs. Those are the armor. That's what each armor piece will do. Tab command V, tutorial plate, legs, boots. Okay, anyways, so let's finish changing what we need. Stupid stinking thing. Tutorial plate, tutorial legs, tutorial boots. I'm going to take that for the format, and then yeah, I believe that 2, 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. And then right here we have 2, because that's the leg. And then tutorial plate, tutorial legs, tutorial boots. That should just about do it. And semicolon, copy, 1, 2, 3. Tutorial plate, eggs, boots, plate, legs, boots, then registry dot add name dot add dot add sorry about that, not language registry, not game registry, language registry. I accidentally forgot that, dot add name and tutorial helm, tutorial helmet. One, two, three. Plate, legs, boots, helmet, chest plate, leggings, boots. And that should just about do it. Now to register the armor handler. Armor handler dot configure armors. Armor handler dot register armor, new game registry. Armor handler dot add names, new language registry. And that should do it. Now let's run the game. Making sure everything works fine. Alright, you can hurry up now, if you don't mind. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need to really get a new software, because this is downright ridiculous. A new software, a new computer, actually. It's just downright ridiculous. Anyways. Run the game. Our tools and such are still here, of course. Ugh. Sometimes lag really does vex me. I think I'm going to change this to 90. Try it out there. Huh. That really does make Minecraft look a bit better. Bit warped, maybe, perhaps. But still. And it gets really annoying. Voila. And they are yellow. Their names are yellow. So Wait, so now let's make sure they render properly on our character. Check it out. We have new armor. Ah. Game mode 0. And look, stronger than diamond. Oh yeah. Game mode 1. Same with the title. Anyways, we now have custom armor. I will see you guys next time. Laters.